How do pop-up matcha drink stands create a unique menu? They create a small, memorable menu by combining high-quality matcha with unusual flavors, seasonal ingredients, and drinks that are easy to prepare quickly. A pop-up matcha stand usually starts with a few basic drinks, such as classic iced matcha, matcha with milk, and a fruit matcha cooler. Then, it adds special flavors that give customers a reason to visit, such as strawberry, yuzu, toasted coconut, brown sugar, lavender, or mango. A smart menu balances familiar choices with one or two surprising combinations, so beginners feel comfortable while curious customers have something new to try. The stand can also create a signature drink with a memorable name, color, topping, or serving style. For example, strawberry puree at the bottom of a clear cup makes the drink look layered before anyone takes a sip. One useful detail is that matcha tastes different depending on its sweetness, milk, temperature, and mixing method, so the same powder can become several different drinks. Operators should test every recipe, write down exact measurements, and make sure each drink can be prepared in about the same amount of time. They can also use seasonal ingredients and limited-time specials to keep the menu fresh without buying too many different supplies. Before opening, ask a few people to taste the drinks and describe which ones they would order again, because customer reactions often reveal which flavor combinations are truly memorable. A common mistake is making the menu too large, so begin with a few drinks that share ingredients and equipment. Another mistake is hiding the matcha flavor under too much syrup, so taste each recipe unsweetened first and add sweetness gradually. Some people also assume every bright green powder is high-quality matcha, but color alone is not enough, because freshness, smoothness, aroma, and bitterness matter too. Store the powder in a cool, dark, airtight container and prepare only what can be sold while it tastes fresh. Finally, remember that unusual toppings can slow down service, so choose attractive additions that can be prepared ahead of time and served consistently. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.